Hi boys and girls, I'm back. Last time, my last video, I was showing you how to make a wee game using stuff that you could find just around the house. And today I thought I would try and do something similar. So you should be able to find everything that you need to make this new thing all around the house. And the new thing we're going to make is a bubble snake maker, which is exactly what it sounds like. It's a long snake that you can make using bubbles. It's really cool. Oh, you'll enjoy it when you see it, I'm sure. I'll let you know what you need first to make your bubble snake. First thing is a plastic bottle. Make sure that you wash it because we don't want to spread germs, and you're going to blow in the top, so you don't need the lid. You can take that off. So a plastic bottle, any size or shape is fine. Sorry about the neighbour's dog. The other thing you're going to need is a tea towel or any kind of towel. Even a face cloth would do. If it is a big towel, like I've got quite a big one here, then you're going to have to cut it. So you must ask your grown-ups if that is okay. They might be able to give you an old towel that you could use. If not, you could use the towel big, but it just means that you're going to have a lot of material hanging about, and that might make it a bit tricky. So if it is an old towel that you are allowed to snip a square out of, then that would be fantastic. Another thing you need, remember my snippy scissors? We need those again because we're going to cut the bottle and the towel. So extra careful, make sure you've got a grown-up helping you for this, okay? Because it is tough. We're used to cutting paper and cutting maybe cardboard, but not towels and not plastic bottles, so it is trickier. So even if you're really good at snipping, you still need a wee bit of help. We also need sticky tape. I'm using sticky tape because that's all I have, boys and girls. But if you've got loom bands in the house, or if you've got elastic bands, something like that, that would work just as well, because this is what you're using to keep the towel on the bottom of the bottle. Another thing you need is your bubble solution. If you have bubble solution at home, you're very lucky. I don't have any. So I've got a tub here with some water in. And if you don't have bubble solution, the next best thing is washing up liquid. Okay, now I'll show you how we make it. First, I'm gonna cut a square out of my tea towel here. The square needs to be big enough to cover the bottom of the bottle like that, okay? So I'm guessing for that bottle, something about that size would do, okay? Let me snip it and you'll see how tricky it is. Remember to get some help because it is hard work cutting material rather than paper or cardboard. I'm just going to snip along. It doesn't have to be perfect. Sometimes holding it like that helps. And then I'm going to snip down the way, and that should make a perfect square. Okay? Snip, snip, snip. Chop along. Watch your fingers. Keep them out the way. There we go. Get rid of that. A little square. It's not perfect, but it does the job. Next thing we want to do is cut the bottom of the bottle. So I found the best way to do this is to squish it like this, and then just chop like that, and you'll make a little hole. You can see there, my fingers in it, and then that means you can just stick the scissors in there and go round. Okay, stick the scissors in. Make sure you've got your grown-up helping you all the way round, and then there it goes. So you're left with this. Now we're going to put these two together. So wrap the towel around the bottom like that. And then if you are lucky enough to have loom bands or elastic bands or something like that, you would just put it on the bottom. I don't, so I'm going to have to tape it. Sticky tape. I'm just going to really go for it and wrap it all the way around. Try not to squish your bottle too much. And you want it to be quite tight because you're going to blow through this. And if all the air just comes out the side of the towel, then you won't get very good bubbles. So, round and round. It's noisy. And round and round. Just snip now comes the fun bit. I've got my box with the water. I'm going to get my washing up liquid. Wonder how much. That much? Bit more. That much? Wee bit more. That much. Oh, that was a lot. And then I'm just going to mix it all around with my bottle like this. Smells good. And then once you've done that, you're ready to blow. Or make your bubble snake. Probably do that out in the garden. It's great fun. Look at all those bubbles ready. I'm going to do a long one. There you go. Boys and girls, I hope you try that out and I hope it's lots of fun and I hope you're keeping really safe, looking after your families, washing your hands and taking care of each other, and I miss you so much and I hope it's not too long till we see each other again in real life. Bye bye.